Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious strawberry muffins at home. First, let's gather all our ingredients, ensuring everything is measured and ready. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is crucial for a good rise. Then, prepare your muffin tin by lining it with paper liners or lightly greasing each of the 12 cups. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process and easy removal of your finished muffins. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, combine your wet ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 large beaten egg. Finally, gently fold in 1½ cups of diced fresh strawberries into the prepared batter, distributing them evenly. Next, we'll combine our mixtures. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing gently until they are just combined. It is very important to avoid overmixing the batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will result in tender, fluffy muffins. Overmixing can lead to a tough texture. Fill each muffin cup about 2/3 full with the strawberry batter, ensuring even distribution for consistent baking. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your creations. Bake the muffins for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center of a muffin. It should come out clean. Let the muffins cool in the tin for about 5 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade strawberry muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.